And that's our show. I'm just kidding. So these are Krispy Kreme donuts that I purchased yesterday. You can buy them either at the bakery itself, or you can, like, I think Walmart carries them in like pre-made boxes of dozens. We are going to be cutting these into quarters. Having them kind of be bite-sized is going to be super helpful. Once you have cut these, I'm going to put them in a bowl. Once we have that put together, let me set this aside for a second. In a bowl, you're going to mix 2 eggs, 1 cup of evaporated milk. This is a 1/4 cup measure that I have, so I have to do 4 of these. And that is 1 cup. And then we're also going to be adding 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. If you've made custards before, you can tell that this is what we're making. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, this is a pretty rich recipe, but it is so good, and you just have to, like, you know, take a smaller portion if it's too much for you. Then we're going to be adding some brown sugar to this mix, a 1/4 cup to that. So I'm just going to use the same measuring cup, but because I've already used liquids in it, I'm not going to stick it in there and hope it fits. There we go. Just a little bit. So roughly a 1/4 cup. You can adjust the sweetness based on how sweet or not sweet you like it. Take this custard mixture, make sure that the eggs are blended in with everything else. Just like that. Taking our donuts and pouring this all over the top. Just want to make sure that all of the donuts are kind of soaking up the liquid. And we're going to give this about 5 minutes to keep soaking. And I'll keep turning it so that all of the pieces get this custard mixture. And after 5 minutes, all that custard will be soaked up. This luscious, look at that, it's like super luscious, but we didn't make it too thick because we still have like those donuts to put on top. So we're gonna put most of these in here. This mixture is really, really easy to make. It's just 2 cups of peaches, a stick of butter, and like 1/2 cup of white sugar and a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, some cinnamon and nutmeg, and then you're just gonna add a 1/4 cup of flour to thicken everything up. Like that. And then we're gonna take these soaked Krispy Kreme donuts right on top. Oh, yeah. Now that we've got that layer on it, we're gonna take these peaches just to put them on top so people know what's underneath. Just kind of spread that around. And then this is going to go into a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Look at this. I don't know, it's kind of like a game. Which parts are peaches, which parts are donuts? A scoop of this. This is like a cobbler, so it's not going to be super firm. Oh yeah, that looks amazing. This would be great with ice cream, whipped cream. I don't have either today, so we're going to do without. So get a piece of peach. I mean peaches. You can't go wrong. And then I'm going to take a little bit of this donut mixture and the custard. Absolutely delicious. If you like peach cobbler and you have like an extra dozen Krispy Kreme donuts laying around, try this recipe out.